What's going on, everybody? Welcome to this quick little video. 55D here, and I'm going to show you how to upgrade your graphics drivers. It's actually a lot simpler than you would think. First, you basically just need to go to this website right here. I will have this in the description, and download GeForce Experience. Now, I will show you that I will go ahead and I will add it to my downloads. I'm not worried about it, although I do already have it downloaded, so I'm not going to go ahead and fully complete this process. Next up, once you got it downloaded, you want to go ahead and open up GeForce Experience. It's probably going to have you sign in. This is okay. You need to sign in order to do your graphics drivers. Once you're here, you're just going to click the button that says check for updates, but as you can see, I already have it updated, so it's not going to let me update it again, but I can reinstall them to show you that this is not a scam. Do custom installation. I always like to do a custom installation to make sure that I know what's getting installed onto my computer, just to make sure that there's not going to be any malware or anything. So once this is done, then it'll show you the next step. Alright, on this next step, this is going to show you exactly what's going to be updated. So as you can see, I don't know what this PhysX system software is, so I'm just going to remove that. As far as the HD audio driver, it's probably okay to keep. I don't feel like this would be a scam at all. And of course, you have to have the graphics drivers. And if you want, you can restore all the settings by clicking Perform a Clean Installation, but I don't want to do that because I like my settings. So all we're going to do is we're going to click Install and let it go through its update. Alright, so we did end up losing OBS because it does do a quick refresh of your graphics. And you can see that it says install complete. And if we go and click check for updates, you will see that there are no updates left. We have updated our graphics drivers. It's that easy. If you ever have an issue with your update, you can always try to reinstall your previous driver. Yeah, it really is that easy, guys. I'd recommend you use GeForce Experience. They make it super easy to download and update your drivers. And they also have a whole bunch of other settings that make it a lot easier to game and record. Just go get GeForce Experience. This is the easiest way to do drivers, definitely. But that's going to be it, so make sure that you guys like and subscribe and look out for the next video.